Ever wondered how ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini actually understands and generates human-like language? Behind the scenes, they are all powered by something called LLM, a large language model. In this video, I will explain what an LLM is, how it works, and why it's changing everything in the simplest way possible. First of all, what LLM means. LLM stands for Large Language Model. Large because it is trained on a massive amount of texts. Think books, websites, articles, even code. Language because it learns to understand and generate natural human language. And model because it's a mathematical system that predicts the next word in a sentence, somewhat like autocomplete but on a completely different level. How it works. Imagine teaching a student by showing them billions of pages of text. Over time, they learn patterns, grammar, facts, style, logic, even humor. That's what an LLM does. It does not memorize sentences. It learns the relationships between words and concepts. So, when you ask, what's the capital of France? It's not recalling a file. It's predicting that Paris fits best based on what it learned. What makes it large? The large part refers to parameters, the internal setting the model learns during training. Think of them as neurons in the model's brain. Early models had millions of parameters. Modern LLMs like GPT-4 have hundreds of billions, allowing them to capture deep meaning and subtle context, like understanding jokes, tone, or reasoning. LLMs are trained in two main stages, pre-training and fine-tuning. During pre-training, they read tons of text to learn general language structure. During fine-tuning, they are taught to respond helpfully, safely, and accurately. That's how general models become conversational assistants like ChatGPT or Gemini. Popular LLMs today include ChatGPT by OpenAI, Claude by Anthropic, Gemini by Google, and Llama by Meta. Each is built differently but all share one goal, making language interaction with AI as natural as talking to a person. Why it matters? LLMs are revolutionizing how we write, learn, code, and communicate. They are not just chatbots, they are assistants, translators, tutors, and creative partners. And as models get smarter, they will reshape industries like healthcare, education, and customer service. Here's the simple takeaway. An LLM is a huge digital brain that learns patterns from text and uses them to understand and generate language. It's not magic, it's math, data, and incredible computing power, working together to mimic human understanding. If this video helped you understand LLMs more clearly, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple explanations on data, AI, and technology. Drop your next topic request in the comments. I might feature it next. Now this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are still watching, I hope you have learned something new today.